Alaikum. Let's do another gorgeous recipe using Ilara Mazila. So we're going to do a mutton curry. So it's going to be Mazila mutton curry. This is just going to be delicious. So I have almost a kg of mutton. And what we're going to do, we're just going to marinate this mutton with some lovely Mazila. In a bowl, you want to pour in your Mazila. 500 ml is good. And then you're going to go in with your mutton. Just put in your mutton and you want to mix it. So we are gonna marinate this in the Mazila for at least 2 to 3 hours, or you can do even more. It's basically up to you. You can do it. Good, cover and refrigerate for at least 3 hours. We are back with our Ilara Mazila recipe. We have the beef that's been marinating. We have, of course, 1 potato which is already boiled. We're gonna mash this, and of course we have a 1/4 cup of oil. We have some salt to taste. We have half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, and then we have at least 2 tablespoons of garlic minced, and then we have some jeera or cumin seeds, 1 full tablespoon, and then we have 3 green chilies, and of course some coriander that is chopped. Add in your oil. And then now you want to go in with cumin. With your coriander. Woo! Yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah, that looks so good and fragrant. Now you want to go with your cardamom powder. Yes. Give it a mix. So this is basically making a nice fragrant kind of base. Oh my God. So good. Yes. You can go in with your whole green chilies and of course some salt. And then give it a good mix. Now we have our Mazila marinated mutton. It's gonna go in the mix, baby. Yes. Put everything in there. Ooh la la. That is something. And then you wanna give it a mix. Okay, now you wanna give it a mix. So you wanna combine everything. Ooh la 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 la. Now you wanna bring it to a boil. And then you can add in 2 cups of water. Give it a mix again. And then now you want to bring it to a boil. And then later on you'll reduce heat to low. But now just let it boil. The potato, we're just going to mash it. Yeah, just mash it. Finally, nkubali kumash. So I already have our mash. Just want to set this aside. Later on, we're going to put it in the mix. So we are bringing it to a boil, and it's already boiling. So we're just going to let it reduce a little bit, and then we are going to continue. So let it cook, let it cook, let it cook. Yeah, that's good. Now you want to reduce heat to low so that it slow cooks. Yes. So that looks pretty dope. Now it's time to go in with the mash. Remember the mash that we had? Yep, put the mash in the mix. And then now you want to mix everything together. It's going to become nice and thick and so good. Now it's going to start bubbling up. You're going to see some oils coming up. And oh my goodness, this is just going to be fantastic. It's almost done. Just let it cook. You want to see the oils coming up a little bit. Fantastic. Whoa, that is good. Ooh la 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 la. So when you see the oils bubbling up, coming up like that, so it means this is good. It's almost cooked. Fantastic. Look at that. Goodness. Good. Oh my God.
رمضان يا رمضان يا نفحة الرحمن رمضان يا رمضان شهر جود وغفران رمضان أنت فيك الخير ضعفا في.
You guys remember my Ilara Mazila nyama? This nyama is amazing. We're gonna go with some rice, and then it's gonna go with the Mazila. Oh my God, it's gonna be fantastic. So let's just see. Just take a look at that. Let's take a look at how tender. Look at that meat. Like it's fall off the bone. Look at that. It is amazing. This is what you do to the nyama. Yes. Gati monango. That mutton is insane. We're gonna call it some mutton gosh. Okay, let's do some mazwa mala on the side. The game, baby. Yeah, cooked in it and eaten with it. Urunya mwanangu sasa. Urunya mwanangu. Ngoja.